How can I make computer? I don't even know the necessary components. Don't worry, I will guide you. Oh really? Thank you. Computers have become an integral part of our daily lives. And it's never too early for kids to start learning the technology that powers them. Building a personal computer can be a fun and educational experience for children of all ages. Hello friends, I am Afan and in this video I'll explain the different components of a computer and show you how to put them together to create a functioning system. Step 1. Gather the parts. Before you start building your computer, you will need to gather all the necessary components. Here's a list of the essential parts you'll need. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer, responsible for processing all the data and performing calculations. Motherboard. This is the main circuit board in the computer, connecting all the different components. RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. This is the temporary memory used by the computer to store data while it's being processed. Hard drive. This is where all your files, programs and operating systems will be stored. This is also permanent memory of the computer. Power supply unit. This provides power to all the components in the computer. Graphic card. This is responsible for rendering images and videos on the screen. Case. This is the outer casing that holds all the components in place. Keyboard and mouse for processing input to the computer. Step 2. Assemble the components. Once you have all the parts, it's time to put them together. Here's a simple step-by-step process for assembling your computer. Install the CPU. First, attach the CPU into the socket on the motherboard. Make sure it's securely in place. Install the RAM. Insert the RAM into the appropriate slot on the motherboard. Install the hard drive. Attach the hard drive to the appropriate slot on the motherboard or to the case using screws. Connect the power supply unit. Connect the power supply unit to the motherboard and hard drive. Connect the graphics card. Attach the graphics card to the appropriate slot on the motherboard. Put the components inside the case. Finally, place all the components inside the case. Secure them in place using screws. Congrats friends, we've completed the hardware part of our computer so far. Let's put together the software now. Step 3. Install the operating system. Once your computer is assembled, it's time to install an operating system. This is the software that run on the computer and provides a user-friendly interface. Windows and Mac OS are popular operating systems, but there are also free alternatives like Linux. We use Windows normally. For performing different tasks in computer, you need a few more softwares. For example, you will need Office 365, which contains MS PowerPoint. I have prepared a detailed playlist for learning PowerPoint, which you can check after this video. Step 4. Test and troubleshoot. Before you start using your computer, it's important to test all the components to make sure they are working correctly. If you encounter any problems, check the connections and make sure all the components are securely in place. So now kids, you are good to go. Your computer is ready for use. Question number 1. What part of the computer is called the brain of the computer? A. Motherboard. B. CPU. C. RAM. D. Hard disk. If you guessed B, then you are correct. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. Question number 2. What part of the computer stores data temporarily? A. Motherboard. B. CPU. C. RAM. D. Hard disk. If you guessed C, then you are correct. RAM is considered as temporary memory for the computer. Question number 3. CPU stands for A. Central Permanent Unit. B. Central Programming Unit. C. Central Picture Unit. D. Central Processing Unit. If you guessed D, then you are correct. Question number 4. How can we input information into the computer? A. Using motherboard. B. Using keyboard and mouse. C. Using hard disk. D. Using casing. If you guessed B, then you are correct. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also like and subscribe to our channel if you have not done yet. Keep watching for more information. Bye bye.